A.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 12:20 to Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Reading, Oxford and Bristol Parkway. Platform 2 for the 12:20 to Bristol. First class is in the rear carriage.
B.
This is a platform announcement for passengers for the 12:20 service to Bristol Temple Meads. This train is delayed by approximately 8 minutes. The train will now depart from platform 9. Passengers for the 12:20 train to Bristol, please make your way to platform 9.
C.
Passengers for flight EB380 to Paris, please make your way to gate 13 for boarding. Gate 13 for flight EB380 to Paris. Please have your passports and boarding passes ready. Your flight is ready to board.
D.
This is a London Underground service to Liverpool Street. The next station is Liverpool Street. Upon arrival, the first set of doors will not open. Customers in the first carriage, please move towards the rear doors to leave the train. The next station is Liverpool Street. Change here for Central Line, Circle Line, Hammersmith and City Line, and Metropolitan Line and Main Line suburban rail services. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates at Redbridge.